The Mazda CX-6e is presented as a major step in Mazda's global electrification strategy, belonging to the same electric family as the Mazda 6e EV sedan, but in SUV/crossover form, the hottest segment for electric vehicles today. In short, this is a mid-size electric SUV designed to meet the demand for EVs from customers in Europe and developed markets, not only for electrification but also to preserve the Mazda essence, sophisticated technology and an enjoyable driving experience. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have some hot news from Mazda. The all-new Mazda CX-6e electric SUV just debuted at the Brussels Motor Show 2026. This is more than just an EV, it's a statement of Mazda's design, technology, and electrification strategy. Let's explore what Mazda is doing, who it's competing with, and why the name, Electromobility in its most artistic form is noteworthy. The CX-6e will compete with a range of mid-size CSUV and DSUV electric SUVs such as the BMW 9-3 and the upcoming RWD version, a direct competitor in terms of size and power. The Audi Q6 e-tron, in the similarly sized electric SUV group. The Tesla Model Y and other mainstream electric SUVs, VW ID.4, Hyundai Ioniq 5-6, where Mazda wants to make its mark with style and experience. But the difference is that Mazda isn't chasing the biggest number, they want a driving experience that's distinctly Mazda, a more exhilarating feeling than just being the fastest. The Mazda CX-6e continues the Kodo, soul of motion, design language into the era of electromobility. Its bold, soulful futuristic modern design theme combines modern technology with sculptural elegance. The long wheelbase of 2,902 mm and short overhangs ensure balanced and elegant proportions. The striking presence of the new Mazda CX-6e is underscored by its dimensions of 4,850 mm in length, 1,620 mm in height, and 1,935 mm in width. The 468-liter trunk can be expanded to 1,434 liters by folding down the second row of seats. Under the hood, there is another practical storage compartment with a capacity of 83 liters, which is also suitable for storing a charging cable. Seven exterior colors are available for the model, including the new Nightfall Violet paint finish, a glossy shade that shifts between shimmering purple and almost black depending on the light. A contrasting black roof accentuates the elegant lines. The CX-6e's sleek profile conceals a spacious and intelligently designed interior. Inspired by the Japanese concept of the beauty of empty space, it offers generous headroom, legroom, and shoulder room for all occupants. 3 interior color schemes are available, Maztex in white or black for the Takumi trim level, and a two-tone amethyst and white option for Takumi Plus. The new Mazda CX-6e combines Japanese craftsmanship, sophisticated design, and state-of-the-art technology. The new Mazda CX-6e will arrive in German Mazda showrooms in summer 2026, with a starting price of €49,990. Alongside the new Mazda CX-6e, the new Mazda CX-5, the brand's best-selling vehicle, is celebrating its European premiere at the Brussels Motor Show. The new Mazda CX-5 features an updated Kodo design language, refined driving dynamics, and is also available in a striking new exterior color, navy blue. This distinctive color was developed in collaboration with regional design teams and is a bold addition to the exterior color palette. The interior of the Mazda CX-6e offers a calm, uncluttered atmosphere and generous space for all occupants. The intelligent cockpit is dominated by an ultra-wide 26.45-inch touchscreen in 32:9 format, which provides the driver and front passenger with personalized information. This is complemented by a large head-up display that projects navigation instructions, among other things, directly into the driver's field of vision. Advanced voice recognition in 9 languages, activated with the command, "Hey Mazda," allows you to control functions such as climate control, open and close the windows, or enter navigation destinations. The new Mazda CX-6e also offers innovative gesture control, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto 3, and 256-color ambient lighting for enhanced user comfort. Standard Bluetooth speakers integrated into the front headrests allow the driver and front passenger to listen to media or navigation instructions without disturbing other passengers. For intelligent vehicle modes, Pet Comfort, Rest, Relax and Car Wash, automatically adapts several vehicle functions to different usage situations and highlight the high everyday usability of the new Mazda CX-6e. In the new Mazda CX-6e, a 78 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery powers an electric motor on the rear axle. With 190 kW/258 horsepower and 290 Nm of instantly available torque, the new Mazda CX-6e offers linear, responsive power delivery and Mazda's signature Jinba Itai driving experience, the harmonious unity of driver and vehicle. The Mazda CX-6e accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 7.9 seconds and reaches an electronically limited top speed of 185 km per hour. Its maximum range is up to 484 km superscript 1, depending on the equipment and tires. A DC fast charging capacity of up to 195 kilowatts allows the battery to be charged from 10 to 80% in just 24 minutes superscript 2. For charging at home or on the go, an 11 kilowatts onboard charger for 3-phase AC charging is standard. A heat pump is also included as standard equipment in the new electric crossover. The chassis tuning, steering, brakes, and overall handling of the Mazda CX-6e were significantly optimized for the demands of European roads by Mazda's European Research and Development Center in Oberursel, Germany. The result is a balanced, comfortable, yet agile driving experience that inspires confidence and puts driving enjoyment front and center. 3 driving modes, normal, sport, and individual, allow the driver to adjust acceleration characteristics, regenerative braking, and steering assistance to their personal preferences.